Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone lagging issues after updating software. If you are using any iPhone and you have updated your software and now you are having a laggy experience in your iPhone, so let's see some possible fixes. The first is that you have to disable low power mode. If you are using your iPhone on low power mode, so you just have to disable it first. Open settings here, go for battery, and then select the power mode option here, and then you have to disable low power mode from here. Once you have disabled, you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not, or if it doesn't work for you. So you can also try to update all of your apps. Open App Store here and tap on your profile option in the top right corner, and you will get all the pending updates for your apps. So you must have to update all of your apps from here because sometimes your apps must need updates for working well with new iOS version. And once you have done, you just have to go back. And after that, if you're still having the same issue, so you just have to open your settings app again, go for Apple Intelligence and Siri, and you have to look for suggestions option here, and then disable all the suggestions from here. Once you have disabled, just go back from here, and after that you have to make a force restart your phone to make a quick refresh in your iPhone system. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you find the black screen, just wait for Apple logo. Once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, you have to unlock your phone, and then you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not, or if you're still facing the same issue. So you have to try to free up your storage. Open settings here, go for general here, go for iPhone storage, and you have to check if you have enough storage up to 10 to 15 or 20 GB free in your iPhone storage to run your iPhone as well. Or if you don't have enough storage, so you have to try to delete something from your iPhone. So for example, if you have any unnecessary apps, you can easily delete them. Just select delete option from here and the app will be deleted. And after that, if you're still facing the same issues, open your settings app, go for general, go for software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software updates. Or after that, if you're still facing the same issues, so it might be that your iPhone is not compatible with the latest iOS version. You have to downgrade your iOS version to use your iPhone smoothly. So in this way, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.